Nigga, you better be lucky body type. You got to hang your shit
I don't even care, dude.
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, who's talking?
Team deathmatch. You are authorized to engage.
Oh my god, why does there have to be a door in every fucking corner of this goddamn map? It's a hog, not life. Good luck. Hosted by Calamar. Let's turn up this fucking ramp. Hey, where you at, boy? Why the fuck is sitting down there? Yeah, I'ma watch these niggas die in front of me, for real. Nah, why you guys slowing down? I wanna watch y'all die. Oh my god, there goes Calamar's booty ass internet still. Yo, he gone. Yo, need to get the fuck out of my way. Oh, skirt. Oh, skirt. Skirt.
Sniper!
Oh my god. I just got sniped.
Priority tasking failure. Return to base.
Yeah, you trying to fuck, man. I got a hit mark on this dude.
Bro, you gotta.
Bro, shut your dumb ass up.
I gotta hit
Bro,
my
look at
girl,
that.
whatever, too.
Dude, you booty. You got a horoscope that?
You said,
Hey. My skill's so far, I would pop, no scoped them. So bomb booty ass, boy.
Y'all switch teams, people. Y'all saying switch teams.
My bad, bro. I'm sorry.
alright. Bro, I'm telling you, if I catch that man lacking outside the school, bro.
Yo. Stop. He's on the wrong team. He wanted to be the shooter. Alright, now you can start it. Oh my god. Yo, who wants your shameless up in here?
Team deathmatch.
Yeah, Calamar.
All
You watch
missions
shameless, bro?
cannot fail.
Hey, Greg, bro. That's that nigga there, bro. All I want, I don't even give a fuck.
Aren't you the guy that let your buddy borrow $60?
45 each, yeah. I feel you.
架子弹！
Oh, we was in the bathroom. I would have took one when he was. It would have been alright.
没有子弹了！枪没子弹了！没有了，子弹用完了。我们照样中啊！
Man, I remember she tried finessing Dave out his money, bro. Like, well, not out his money. Like, you know when Dave beat the shit out of Mary? She was like, we gonna need like $3,000 or $4,000, and Dave was like, all right, I'll pay the hospital for the bill. He
没有
was like,
了，
I ain't
子弹
paying
用
you.
完了。加子弹！
Bro, they try to finesse.
It's a draw. Stand down.
These niggas hate, bro. Yeah, man, I remember the man was like, yeah, bro, you my homie, y'all shoot and kill for you. Nigga, but